Hey, are you tired of paying way too much for a pair of gloves or mittens? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you what I think are the best ski or snowboard gloves for under 50 bucks. Let's get it. Hey, I'm John with JohnLaGuardia.com, and if you're into the outdoors for photography, skiing, mountain biking, hiking, camping, backpacking, those sorts of things, you're in the right place. On this channel, I do tutorials and reviews with tips and tools for outdoor adventure. So if you're new here, welcome, and please consider subscribing. So these are the M1 Pro gloves from Truck. And they made the editor's choice list for Backcountry magazine in 2021, I believe. The mittens made it in 2019, so these are a fantastic pair of gloves for backcountry skiing. They're great on the skin track, and they're really kind of the mountain workers gloves. They're great at the ski hill, they're great for run and lift op, but they're also great for just shoveling snow in your driveway. You'll probably want the mittens if you're in a sub-zero big powder day, something like that, and we'll show you those in the next video. But they're reinforced in the palms and the thumbs. They have the clasps on the inside so you don't lose them when you're walking through the Alpine Lodge. These tuck nicely under your jacket. They have four-way stretch goat leather, and so they are water resistant. They're not completely waterproof, but stick around till the end of this video and I'll share a pro tip on what you can do about that. These are a great blend of warmth and dexterity. These come in at $37, and so for the money, these are an excellent glove. So a little pro tip, this is Obanoff's heavy duty leather preservative, and if you rub this on the gloves, this will really help extend the life. It'll reduce cracking. It'll make them more water resistant, and it's just fantastic stuff to make those gloves nice and soft. So check that out when you purchase the gloves online, and get yourself one of these 1-ounce bins that'll last you a whole season. And the reason these gloves are so cheap is that Truck is able to produce these without having a middleman. So they sell direct to the consumer, and they're able to sell a much higher quality glove for a lower price. Definitely check these out. Give them a try. This year I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. I'll put a link in the description down below. Well, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one.